Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Idiski Lady. If you are new here, welcome. Please do subscribe and join the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'll be doing the MTN 8 quarterfinals predictions that are coming up this weekend. SuperSport is the most dominant team against Golden Arrows, and they could win this game, but Golden Arrows could push for extra time and possible penalties, but SuperSport will win this game with 1-0. Orlando Pirates versus Swallows. AmaBhakaBhaka have better odds here against DubeBet. My predictions: Orlando Pirates will win 2-0 against Swallows. Sundowns versus KaizerChiefs. Both teams are very strong, so this one will be very hard to predict. But I see this game ending with a draw, going to extra time. I see Sundowns scoring 1 goal during extra time and taking it. Sundowns will win 1-0 to KaizerChiefs. AmaZulu versus Cape Town City. AmaZulu will win this game with no extra time, no penalty at 90 minutes. If you look at Usuthu, they finished last season very strong. I see AmaZulu taking this one with 2-1 against Cape Town City. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. See you on my next one. Bye bye.